Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the social science and iOS assignments. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us, and we have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. And the number is 9009368, which you can contact us by messages and simply just hi on our WhatsApp, so we will reply on your message. So thank you. Now question number 4b is analyze the effectiveness of measures like wildlife sanctuaries and the national parks in preserving the natural heritage of India. So these answers we have prepared in the PDF form. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.